Ladies and gentlemen, the political marriage between Raila Amolo Odinga and William Samoei Ruto will end in tears. It will not end well. Ladies and gentlemen, politics is just about interest. Politics is about numbers. Politics is just a game like any other. Kama hii ndio mara ya kwanza kuwa katika chano hii pendwa ya Rashis Kaiman, na kusihi tafadhali bonyeza kile kidude cha subscription, and you can also, by the way, you can also become a member of this channel by clicking the join button, and you can also hit the thanks button, thumbs up button, and like the video. So ladies and gentlemen, a strong ODM is good for Raila Amolo Odinga. A weak ODM is bad for Raila Amolo Odinga. A weak ODM, a divided ODM, is good for William Samoei Ruto. I've always said that William Samoei Ruto is a shrewd politician. I've always said that William Samoei Ruto is going to outwit Raila Amolo Odinga. If William Samoei Ruto is genuine about supporting Raila Amolo Odinga, let him step down for him as a presidential candidate, and then he support him, he backs him, ampigie debe. That way tutaona he means well for Raila Amolo Odinga. William Samoei Ruto has succeeded in dividing ODM. Amazingly, he has divided ODM down the middle. Today, if you look at ODM, it is just a shell of its good self. Ladies and gentlemen, if you look at ODM, you see leaders pulling in different directions. You see people like Babu Owino, Edwin Sifuna, Anyang' Nyong'o, James Orego, and many others disagreeing with those who are in government, akina John Mbadi, Opiyo Wandayi, Gladys Wanga, Raila Amolo Odinga, Oparanya, and many others. ODM is headed to the grave. If Raila Amolo Odinga is not careful, he will lose everything. Ladies and gentlemen, why would William Samoei Ruto love to see a divided ODM? Just like he did, by the way. He's trying to do, but he has not succeeded in the Gema Nation. He wants to divide the Gema Nation between Mount Kenya East and Mount Kenya West. But Mount Kenya has become a hard nut for William Samoei Ruto to crack. A hard nut to crack. He needs to work harder. But when you look at ODM, there's some guys who are just so happy to be in bed with William Samoei Ruto. Why would William Samoei Ruto want to weaken ODM? How does he gain? That's the question I want us to discuss today. Number one, William Samoei Ruto knows very well that he's going down. He knows very well that he cannot win a second term. And therefore, Raila Amolo Odinga must be made irrelevant in Kenyan politics. Remember, amewahi kuapa kwa jua, nyota na mwezi kwamba kazi ambayo imesalia ilikuwa kumpeleka Raila Amolo Odinga bodo ina wheelbarrow. Sio maneno yangu, ni maneno ya William Samoei Ruto, kwamba kazi ambayo imebaki, the only remaining work is to take Raila home in a wheelbarrow. That's the truth of the matter. So he is determined to make Raila Amolo Odinga completely irrelevant. Number two, why he wants a weak ODM. He wants Raila Amolo Odinga to retire in shame. You know, truth be told, Raila is elderly. Raila has done his part. Truth be told, Raila is a respectable international figure. Raila is a Pan-Africanist. Raila is a reformer. Would you compare him? Will you compare his credentials to those of William Samoei Ruto? Raila has fought for this country. He has fought for the second liberation. The freedom we are enjoying today is courtesy of people like Raila Amolo Odinga, James Orengo, Anyang' Nyong'o, Paul Mwite, Martin Shikuku, Matiba, so many of them. But you will not find William Samoei Ruto there. So the best thing for Raila Amolo Odinga was to retire honorably. A good dancer is the one who exits the stage when everybody is dancing, when everybody is clapping. Lakini sio pale wewe waendelea kuyeyusha kiuno pale peke yako, hakuna mtu anapiga makofi, wayeyusha kiuno peke yako kwa aibu. Hivyo ndivyo ambavyo William Samoei Ruto amekusudia, and he is making it. If Raila is not careful, he will retire in shame with his head down. It would be very, very bad for Raila Amolo Odinga. Again, one thing I know about successive presidents, they have not been very happy with Raila Amolo Odinga. Truth be told, Moi was not very happy with Raila Amolo Odinga. Kibaki was not very happy with Raila Amolo Odinga. Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta was not very happy with Raila Amolo Odinga. William Samoei Ruto is not different. It's not different. And would wish to make Raila completely irrelevant, send him out of Kenyan politics for good, and go home completely and be forgotten. The other reason is that I strongly believe that these two leaders are victims of Gen Zs. The Gen Zs today have realized, I've talked to so many, I've told them that Raila is a good bet. He can be given another chance. I'm telling you, out of 10, 8 believe that Raila should retire. 8 Gen Z out of 10 strongly believe that Raila needs to go home with William Samoei Ruto. I'm looking at the situation and I'm seeing a situation where Raila would struggle even to retain 3 million votes. That's the truth of the matter. Even in Western, Raila has lost. William Samoei Ruto is very much aware of this. And William Samoei Ruto wants also to go down with Raila Amolo Odinga. Waende wakiwa wengi, waende pamoja. Kifo cha wengi ni harusi, wakasema wahenga. Sio maneno yangu. Proverbs, of course, with deeper meaning. What I can say is that when you look at William Samoei Ruto, William Samoei Ruto would want ODM to be divided because he fears youthful leaders. Do you think William Samoei Ruto will be very comfortable with Edwin Sifuna in the government? Do you think he'll be very, very comfortable with the Babu Owino forming the government as minister, maybe for education? Do you think he'll be very, very comfortable? And you see, ODM is known as a reformist party, chama ambacho ni cha mabadiliko, ni wana mageuzi, wana mabadiliko. But William Samoei Ruto has managed to wipe all the good things about ODM. That's the truth of the matter. And he's succeeding at lightning speed. Raila Amolo Odinga has fallen into the trap of William Samoei Ruto. Amenaswa kabisa. How is he going to come out of this? I don't know. But he is losing. In fact, he is the loser. Because you see, if you ask many Kenyans, they will tell you Raila's interests are commercial. That's what many Kenyans are saying. I don't know what you are saying from where you are, but from where I sit, William Samoei Ruto has successfully destroyed ODM. William Samoei Ruto has successfully divided ODM. He has successfully dismantled Raila Amolo Odinga. In fact, today, William Samoei Ruto and Raila Amolo Odinga are actually struggling to have support from Raila Amolo Odinga's support base. Raila Amolo Odinga would attract small crowd today than he would have done maybe 2 or 3 years ago. What do you think? Maybe you can let me know what you think. And please like my video, share our video, comment, and have a blessed day. Till next time, bye-bye.